G'day class, Mr. Lever here again. I'm going to quickly explain Newton's first law of motion to you as it was explained to me when I was in high school. Pretty much the first law says that things like to keep on doing what they're already doing. For example, this ball, if I sit it down there, it's going to stay there. It's not going to move until it's acted upon by an outside force. Okay? Or if I was to throw the ball, it's going to stay in motion until acted upon by an outside force. So objects that are stationary like to stay stationary, objects that are moving like to stay moving. Things like to keep on doing what they're already doing. That's all until they're acted upon by an outside force. So if I was to throw this ball, it doesn't keep on going because there's forces acting on it. There's the force of wind resistance, there's the force of gravity that's acting on it, as well as the force of a little white dog. Another example of Newton's laws of motion. Quickly show you what I've got set up here. So I've got a cup of water, just a plastic plate and an egg, and a toilet roll. Now, in theory, when I hit this piece of plastic, the things that are stationary will want to stay stationary. So hopefully the egg stays where it is until it's acted upon by an outside force, which is gravity. That's why I use plastic. Next demonstration, hopefully this one will work. It's the old magician's trick. Basically, the cup will want to stay where it is until it's acted upon by an outside force. In this case, hopefully the force of friction from the tablecloth won't be enough to move it. Okay, so at least that one worked. Now obviously the cup moved before because it was acted upon by an outside force. I hit it with my hand instead of just hitting the plastic plate through. We'll try that again in the classroom when I get back. But yeah, so Newton's first law, objects in motion will stay in motion, stationary objects will stay stationary until acted upon by an outside force.